stop playing with him.
VIBEZZZ and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
We are going to wipe any makeup from off the perimeter of our head. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with our Got To Be glue. Let's just put one layer of Got To Be glue on, and then we can go on with a layer of the spray. Then I'm gonna go in with a bit of my Got To Be glue spray. I'm gonna go in with my silk scarf.
Yeah, let's go. Right about now, let's go. We need all the ladies to hit the...
I'm gonna let this sit for like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll be back. I gotta style my hair, so catch you in a jiffy. I've already put heat protectant and stuff in it, honestly, because I already straightened it. It's on like 350 degrees, and I'm super excited. This is human hair. Made myself a bomb wig. I'm here. Might put a little powder in my roots. After you make your own wig, just let me know how fun it was, because I had a blast. Took me 2 hours to make this entire unit. Before I colored it, it was this platinum blonde. But this gray is a whole vibe. And this was an already used frontal. So now next time we're gonna have to slay a brand new frontal. So I'm gonna just flat iron my hair and I'll be back.
Sexy.
I used to wear my hair like this back in high school. Don't mind the hair clip. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hey, plug up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak, had to come out of the little